Hello, my name is Nick Vacco. I'm the CEO and founder of Detail King. I appreciate you tuning in today. Today, business owners face some very difficult and unprecedented times. The Detail King is healthy here, and we're here to help you get through these times. Detail King applied for an exception with our governor this weekend to be able to operate, and that's because we offer cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting, and deodorizing equipment and supplies. And of course, we are practicing social separation. Many of the Detail King administrative team members are working from their home, but they still are connected to Detail King, so they're maintaining their responsibilities. We're filling orders and we're shipping every day, Monday through Friday. Our showroom is locked, but if you are local and you needed to pick up an order, just call it in and we'll have it ready for you. We'll meet you outside. If you're in the auto reconditioning business, auto detailing and reconditioning business, and have seen a slowdown, I just wanted to discuss some things today. I have some really good ideas that can help make your business stronger, both now and in the future. Oh, by the way, if you do have any questions in the comments section, feel free to ask a question at the end of the presentation. We will do our best to answer these questions. First of all, there's a difference between a business owner and an entrepreneur, okay? A typical business owner may be using this time right now as his or her downtime because it's slow. So they're basically riding the storm out. And that's fine too, but make sure you're safe while you're doing that. But the business owner, entrepreneur, and let me stress that, is thinking out of the box right now to keep his or her business running, if the state permits that, of course, by offering interior sanitizing and cleaning services, along with other detailing services if you're permitted to operate. For entrepreneurs that cannot operate or feel unsafe doing so, here's some marketing ideas that you can be doing right now to promote your business now and in the future when the state basically is back to normalcy. Number one, auto repair facilities that have been classified as essential. During COVID-19, if you have relationships with auto repair shops, partnering with them to offer auto detailing services at their facility. It's a great idea. Okay, you may not be able to operate legally now, but these auto detailing or the auto repair shops are able to operate. And you may want to provide your services there for them, for their customers, and even for you. Perfect for a mobile detailer that you may not be able to operate. Call the local repair shops in your area and see if you can work with them. Fine-tune your online presence. Now's the time to tweak and update your website and your social media channels. You probably have some stale content or some old pics and images that you want to update. Now's the time to do it while you have the time, because you're going to get busy soon, okay? So now's the time to update everything, tweak everything, just change the landscape of your website if you have to. Put new pictures up, reviews. Now's the time, folks, to do it while you're a little bit slower. And the search engines will love you for it. They'll actually help your ranking go up. Create short videos of your services. Now's the perfect time to update your video presence on social media and your website too. Having your customers and prospects actually watching you provide these services, okay, will help gain credibility with them and also help your website rankings. You can make these videos, they can be a minute long, showing how you're buffing a scratch out in the paint, showing how you're using a vapor steamer to clean a steering wheel or a console or a door panel, or an extractor to clean an upholstered seat. Okay, these are the things that you can create 30-second, 1-minute videos easily. Put it on your website, put it on your social media channels to promote your business. If you have your customers' names and phone numbers, and you should, now's the time to sit down for a couple hours every day and call your customers up. Let them know your status, let them know what you're doing, see how they're doing, see if there's anything that you can help them with now or in the near future when the spring rush actually takes place. Email your customers and your prospects. Hopefully you have a service like Constant Contact or MailChimp or ListTrack where you can keep your name in front of your customers and send them professional looking branded emails. This will let them know that you're still in business, you have some specials that you're offering, or maybe you have the interior cleaning and sanitation services that you're going to offer. You got to keep your name in front of your customers, especially during the slow period, so they don't forget who you are. And they may need something done. Don't assume, you know what happens when you assume. Don't assume that they don't need anything done right now. They may think you're closed down and not operating. So keep your name in front of them. And you know, I've been talking about sanitizing and deodorization services in this video so far. Perhaps a customer schedules an exterior detail. Okay, while they're there, or while you're at their home or their business, offer an express sanitizing service that may only take you 10 or 15 minutes to do, where you're wiping down the surfaces, you're possibly using a vapor steamer to clean and sanitize the interior, extracting the seats. It's just a quick and easy service. We actually have a product that we're bringing out in a couple weeks. The name of the product is After Disinfecting Cleaner. It is registered with the CDC, that's the Center for Disease Control. It's on their list. It's also registered with the EPA. Unbelievable product. We're going to have it here in about 2 weeks. It's going to cost anywhere from $12 to $14. Something that you may want to look at. We'll have it advertised on our website and our social media channels soon. Another thing I'd recommend to do, if you have a good business book or a good motivational book, now's the time to read up on it. Damon John, the People Shark, one of Detail King's senior advisors, has really composed and written some great material, some great books, motivational books. And now's the time to read more about that. It can help increase your business skill set, and it'll help motivate you. And a lot of people right now are depressed. They're not working, things are slow, they're wondering how they're going to pay their bills. If in fact, supposedly the government approved the bill today to offer some financing, or maybe even free financing. I'm not sure what all the details are, but take advantage of anything that you can, okay, to help generate some income or some cash flow for your business. Now's the time to do that. Don't be embarrassed to do that. Everybody's pretty much in the same boat. Have there been any questions so far? Okay, no questions. That means everybody's probably on board with what we're talking about today. Again, these are some really difficult times. I mean, I've been around a long time, and I've never seen anything like this before. We all go through difficult times. You can lay down, you can relax, and just ride the storm. But if you're able to do this, if you're able to operate your business, take it to the next level. Okay, now's the time to work smart, work hard, of course. Okay, come up with different ways that you can offer your services to your customers, especially if you're allowed to operate. But if you're down, if you have the downtime, now's the time to fine-tune your website, get in touch with your customers, hand out flyers, do direct mail, do direct email, basically whatever works for you. Just don't sit there and do nothing. Go out, promote your business, make some money. Better times are coming. Thank you very much. We'll see you on Monday.